Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all from Reason Together TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time and wherever you are in the part of the world. Welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please enable to hit the red subscribe button down below and also the bell icon for notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you will always be the first person to be notified. This case that we are about to watch is the case of a woman who cried out that her two daughters want to claim her house when she's still alive. Please stay tuned while the both parties explain for peaceful resolution. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed and bye for now. Ciao.
Mama, good afternoon. Come and assist Mama. I will put that mic for mouth.
Right.
Okay. Mama, she na English we.
Yorùbá ni máa sọ.
Na English we supposed speak so that other law.
Ó lè gbọ́ dáadáa.
Mama, wait. Farabalẹ̀. If we not speak English, the people when they want pass, when they want mediate, they not go. Not be all of them. They hear Yoruba. So if you know say you dey hear English, make we talk am small. You show here ma.
Mo lè má mọ̀ sọ dáadáa. Mo lè má sọ pọ̀ get dáadáa.
The one when you no fit talk, will they support you? But make we start with English. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
How are you, ma?
I'm fine.
Tell us your name.
My name is Ishbatu Alimsin.
Wetin carry you come this office?
My first daughter collect my one four bedroom for my hand with 2 chop.
Wetin take collect am? Shey na police?
Na his papa friend na go collect am.
Okay, tell us where na how it take happen.
I'm not well. I sick. So the time why is fighting my tenants. I don't know the time they will collect the house. Every time he go me admit the man, pursue am, come fight with am, comot the WC for the flat for your hand. For 2 weeks they no dey put the thing back. Why you want make me to put bullshit with their children? Every time we go fight the man. So the day wey she call me say one day one place dey leak, water dey come for the wall. So it's okay. I say I call the man say why you dey do like that? The man say he know. I say no, you don cause wahala. You want spoil the tank of the WC. Now you dey pursue, now you dey flood the water for the wall. So we stop that one. After the water wey dey carry, the pipe wey dey carry water inside the toilet, e go comot am.
Who comot am?
Na Safiyat for the man.
Your daughter?
Yes. The man come report me.
Mama, wait first. Make we do am like this. I know say you be person when dey fast when dey talk, abi? We go do am pẹ̀lẹ́ small.
Okay.
That is one. And two, if you want talk, if na your tenant, you go say my tenant.
Okay.
If na your daughter,
Okay.
you say my daughter.
Okay.
If you like, you call the name.
Okay.
You go separate them.
You go comot the pipe wey enter toilet.
Your daughter
My sample of my daughter.
you go comot am for tenant.
He go lose am. Water no enter the toilet again. We talk about one. I beg the man go put am back. He told like 2 months. He go again go comot the 2 WC for the man house. So wetin happen? Because you see me say I no well, you dey test me. No good now. Now I call my brother. When I call my brother call am. He say he wan renovate the house. So the man wan spoil the house. He wan renovate the house. Okay. If you wan renovate the house, let me know. My brother say let am make it next hello. He will come and look the place.
Mama, before we continue, I wan tell you one thing. Shebi we dey pray say make our generation when they never come, make them better pass the one wey we dey. Na be our prayer. We also dey pray make our children better pass us.
The under must.
Okay, listen. The kind English when you dey speak, and you refuse to speak English, and you know Yoruba is not general language and you hear English like this, wait, which kind encouragement you dey give people sef when you no even hear like you, make fear let them speak am. Na that one fair treat now, you understand? As you dey like this now, you hear English like this, you even use renovation, that shows you understand English. And you say you no hear English, rarara. Wait now.
Maybe
wait,
I no go fit talk well.
Wait first. You must not talk like parrot now to talk wetin dey tell you. Okay, if you wen hear English, talk say you no hear. How you go come take advise people when you hear small say make dem manage wetin dem get? See am, English no be our language. Anyhow you hear am, speak am if you reach where dem say speak am. Na the people go hear say e no good for ear, e no go let dem manage. When you even say renovation alone, e sound pass my own. You understand? So Farabale dey tell us small small, yeah?
He say wan renovate the house o. So my big brother say if you wan renovate am, you wan collect, you wan pay engineering, let am know. If him go come see the place o. My brother called the number, he no pick the number like 5 times. He no call my brother say he wan start to renovate the house.
That's your daughter?
My daughter.
Na your daughter be the caretaker of the house?
Na she need dey do am for himself o.
But I thought you say na your apartment.
Na my apartment
na you build am?
Na my husband house. Na my husband house.
Okay, when your husband die, your husband share and give you?
Wait sir, when my husband die, when my husband sick, he come meet me house say, he call me say him papa sick o, he wan carry am go hospital o. When he reach there, he say make him carry am go general hospital. She call me say make I come o, make I look o. They say dem go carry am go general o, he need money. I open cupboard carry the money, I go meet am for Sadiku bus stop. I say how far now?
Who
say
you give the money?
Safras.
Your first daughter? Is she your first daughter?
She my first daughter. So one carry am go hospital, general hospital, one go. Make I follow, say no, make I wait, make you know how far now. Second day, now I dress, I go there, I meet that baba. I wait, I stay with her.
You see they marry at that time?
We don't start her, and we are talking.
How many years when I don't divorce?
They don't tell me, but we are talking, and we are, if anything happen to their family, I dey go there.
Okay, wait, she, your husband don't marry another wife when you come out?
You don't marry another one.
Okay. You when you go outside, you born for the man?
I born one for her.
For another one?
For another one.
When you and your husband already separate, you can't go marry another man?
I marry another one.
You can't born for her?
Now he let me go and marry another one.
Don't worry, he don't die, he not go fit talking you.
Wait, before no tell you oga.
Wait first, now you go talk. Now, you know say na people want judge us.
Now I talk, I dey talk now.
I never say make you not talk, mama. In our introduction, I want make we do well. Because if we not do introduction well, your daughter can't talk there out today. People will feel they think different things. I make I want help you based on what I hear before we come online, mama. One parabale. Even if you not say you feel wait first so that the noise not goes enter my own. You know, waiting that they talk before we enter this case. Then they talk one word and I say no, make we reach here before they talk. That is why I want make we do introduction well. Who get the house or how the house they come or okay now. When you and your husband don't come out, you go marry another man.
I marry that one.
You born for the
man. I born one for her.
Before your husband die, you come back, come marry him again.
I come back we said to know I no enter in household.
Okay, yeah, they talk. Your children they here.
So anything happen to their family, he will tell me I go go there. Okay. Anything happen to their family, he go tell me I go there. When he go hospital, when they there, I go there. I stay with her every morning. I go there. I will come out midnight. I call their.
Your husband, when you later marry, he don't die. The second one.
I don't leave her. I don't leave her.
You leave that one.
I don't leave her because you know I start no be my own.
Okay. How many years you stay for with her?
I no live with her, man. I rent my own house now.
How many years na friend before you go? You leave her?
We friend 5 years.
Okay. Carry on.
So I stay with Baba. When he died, me and him and the last one of my first one will come out. I call my family, say to your brother don't die you. He say make it burial for their house where they buy now. Make it airport go.
Okay, now you did here when he died. Now your present him died.
I did it.
He died.
I did that when I did hospital.
How many of you stand with him when he died?
She, Safras, me, and my first one, we follow.
Wait, which time your husband take to say now you then will give that 4-bedroom flat? Now I want no.
I say, when they share the house for them, their family can't share the house. When they share the house after, she called me and say, this class up is my home.
Who talking?
Safras.
Okay. Your daughter?
My daughter.
No, they hear and
say, it's my home. In the down one is our home. The 2-3 bedroom. In the assistant get them. I pay for assistance. Okay. You see better. I collect the money. When in these 2 years, the sister come and say, "You renovate house." Me they can't do account for her. I be me and the do pass match. I say, why they talk like that? If you want to follow her, she no come.
Maybe you can't do account for the house, not that dash you again.
Then renovate house. He said they can't do accounts. We can take do renovate the house. I said, call the sister. When I call Safra, he they cry, say, why you talk in front of your sister? You leave that one. When the papa died, these 8 days when they buried their papa finish, they called me, say, make I call their papa brother, they can share, make they call him brother, they can want take him home now, so make him take him home. I said, it's okay.
Yes,
Safras. I no talk. He reach 2 months, 2 weeks of the time, they call me and say, why no talk in papa brother? Make him first born take our own house. He won't take your own. I say, it's okay. I no talk.
Mama, you go talk well today, but wait first. So I want, if I don't understand, people when we look into the matter, no go see understand. This house, your late husband share am for you for inside paper, inside will.
They no give any paper for anybody.
Your late husband, he talk and say, as he want die, so he go give you 4-bedroom flat.
He no talk anything. Okay. All the house we get, he no share anything.
Wait now. Wait, we know say in some culture, why they ask some culture, if your husband not dash you house and he can't die, children still there. So not they dash woman, oh, I say if I give the woman before he go or he write time for we say so wife number 2 iya moji na him get that
they no do anything like that. They no do.
And you not dey with your husband as a wife before he die.
I know they there.
Wait now, who you say na Safrat, your daughter, na she by herself dash you this 4-bedroom flat.
When they share am say na my own before.
I know. Who now come out for your hand after they dash you? When I sick, you dey talk na give am mic na simple wahala.
Na Safra come collect am from my hand. When I sick,
mama na simple talk. Safrat dey here. Why Safrat dash you? Make you take the shop. Make she for not suffer. Feed you. Safrat now come collect and say she want to feed you by herself. Oh, yeah, give am.
No tell me anything.
No, that is the meaning. And I me dey talk and so. If I dash my mama motor, give am driver, and he never die, I go collect motor, collect driver. And I be say na me go dey carry am by myself with that. Oh, yeah, give am mic. Give Safrat.
You cannot talk again.
Mama, now wetin you carry come here? Now you don't talk so. The fight that happened in 1960 not be you carry come. That house when they seize, now she give, now she seize and thank God she dey here. Oh yeah, Safra take the mic. They laugh like say now you be angel. We will hear you all today. Oh yeah, Kimo.
Actually, I don't know where to start from, but obviously you've asked some certain questions. The real thing the reason why I said I don't have a case here, you've asked questions on it. I don't think there's anything for me to ask again, because she herself confirmed to you that she has divorced my father and she's married to someone else, which happens to be Alhaji Olajide. So you can't hold me to ransom that a flat belongs to her. I should come and give account. The house belongs to me and my 2 sisters. Before my father died, he has cleared it to everybody that all his properties belongs to his children. He had 4 wives. Do you get it?
Yeah.
And he said a house to each of the units.
Okay.
So me, my two sisters inherited their flat. And initially, she was telling me that she wanted to start a business.
Mama, Father Bale, when they talk, they not talk. Oh yeah, go on.
Please, maybe I should say it in pidgin.
Okay.
For clarity's sake.
For Mama to hear. Now you know your Mama there here if you're go when get trained now.
So as I dey take explain, say
you they use Oyibo
so as I dey talk now, they say my papa and my mama don divorce themselves for like 35 years ago. They don comot for him house, and she don go marry another man, don born another pikin. So my father died, leaving his properties to his children. And my papa leave property for his children. So from my own side, myself and my two sisters, now the three of us get to the house. At a point, for a long time, I know they work, I no get job, I don't stop to work. My two sisters too don't stop, they no get work. So she herself they talk, so she go need money start business. Mama. Okay, me and mama. So I said, okay, there's no big deal. This flat upstairs, you take this flat. The person in that flat, the person no fit continue the payment for that place. But if I go meet am, if you fit continue payment, I will let you know. When I meet the man talk say he no get money. I say no wahala. When you go take pack comot, when you don pack comot, let me know. So the time wey the mama, in fact before then, when I don tell mama say that flat, you take the payment for that flat, at least that one go there enough for you, make you go get shop.
Which year was that?
That was 8 years ago.
Okay, hold a minute. In that 8 years ago,
yes,
when you told mama you go dey collect this flat, did you say only 1 year? Was there any contract or any?
There was no written agreement. No, say
that's not what I mean. You know, they have what they call verbal agreement.
Exactly.
And mama, this one for now. You know, say for now.
For now means
anytime you can come and Mama, this Mr. John, when he dey for so flat, for now, make it dey pay money, make you take the shop. Now something like that, you tell mama.
Not that way.
But
she needed money. So I told her that when that person pays, but unfortunately the person was not able to pay. I said, okay, this person wey dey there go pack comot. When she don pack comot, get somebody that will be able to pay for that flat. Let that person pay to you. When the person wanted to make payment, she brought that person to my house for me to confirm if she should give that place to that person or not. And I confirmed the person that no problem, give the house to that person. How much you want let her out? Until say okay, 400,000. Collect the money.
Did mama collect it?
Mama collected the money.
Which year was that?
That was 8 years ago.
Okay.
So when she collected that money, then my own plan was then the next payment, the person should pay to her again. Yes.
He said, Mama, only kan to muro niyen. Abeg speak English when you understand. You they've not paid to her, but your plan was the next payment should go to her as well.
Yes.
Mama, kan to sọ niyen farabalẹ̀. He never said that pay to you. Mama, I'll speak Yoruba for that area.
Okay.
Mama down na. Speak Yoruba for that area.
Are you a Yoruba or Igbo?
Now people they listen.
Okay.
I'm a Yoruba, but I will not allow that because the lawyers that are watching, they are not Yorubas.
Okay. As that place is, I thought say make sure collect money from that person, rent that flat to that person, collect the money, go rent shop. After that one self, I waited, say make at least the next payment she go collect that money too. But unfortunately, immediately after that person moved in, the water the person was using was sinking into the decking of that house. For so long, I called her attention that person wey give that flat, in water dey sink inside the decking and e dey affect downstairs. This thing continues sinking to a point that the person downstairs in wardrobe come down since the thing don absorb water too much. So at a point, I called my other sisters that at this point, this person will not be able to stay here again if the person refuses to do that place. I went there myself to even work on that flat, but to no avail. It now got to a point I said, okay, no problem, I'm taking over this flat. And the reason why I had to hold on for like 2-3 years for mama was because shortly after that mom paid to mama was having side problem.
Okay.
I was not working, my sisters too were not working. I said, okay, collecting money from collecting this flat now, it will be like, since our condition is like this, let us say be collecting the money. She was having eye problem. they did operation. The operation was not successful. I had to just leave the flat, say okay, as they go, make with the manager like that. So the other shops around that building, now they take manage DDU, as in the maintenance of that house. Yeah. Initially, the plan was say that flat was supposed to be for maintenance, but that moment the three of us no dey work. No way where I say mama take. I know that she was as if I say 8 years ago, she view how she would be by then. Yeah. But we just say okay, mama, you won't collect, you won't get shop, you won't do business. Oh yeah, now take over. After very long time, I later discovered that the site was not physical problem, because we kept on treating her, going to hospital. That was the charge she had for the other man. Yeah. Was even the one doing the running around about for her. So at a point,
male or female?
She's a female. She's married too. So at a point, I said, okay, this thing has been on and on and on to no avail. So she herself confided to me that her sight wasn't a physical problem, it was spiritual. I said, okay, no problem. At this point, this house, if you dey watch am like this house will go down the drain. If this house collapse, mama will not be called. Even my two sisters too will not be called. I will be called upon. So I had to meet with the tenant inside the house. At this point, what do we do? We've tried every possible means to stop the water penetrating into the decking. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I said, you have to excuse me from this flat. He said, wetin go happen? I said, I know, say you don't pay. That mama side of it. Say, you know what? This flat, you don't pay to my mama. I know they do mago for here. I know, say you don't pay to her. But this way I go to be say, I'll refund your money back to you. I'll give you extra 3 months. By God's willing, you see a house before the end of 3 months, so that you can renovate the house. If the guy, they didn't bring that guy to me before I gave her my own consent, at least endorse the guy wouldn't have seen me as the landlady of the house, or my two sisters as landlady of the house. When she got to realize that my mama don't marry another man with another children, say, just say make you take that flat, they can for the meantime take am shop. Okay, no problem. The guy decides, okay, he go back. Give her, when you don't say house where you go, now that time go drop money. So when the guy come ready to go, say, I don't say house. Okay, no problem. Even I called him, I gave him the money. We have witnesses there. So he confirmed it. He collected the money, packed out, and I renovated the flat. Before the renovation took place, we had to do integrity test to confirm if the house is still in order, if somebody can still live in that flat or not. So if integrity test has shown that the house has gone bad beyond repair, it would have, yes, we have no choice than to go for demolition. So at that point, I had to, the person now said, okay.
But not forget our pidgin English.
Okay. So when they come, before when the man park comot for house, I say make the people come when they do integrity test, when they check whether the house is strong or they weak. So they come check if the house is still in good order. Wey be say person fit still live inside. So after they don do that one, confirm say at least 70% is okay, and it's we are above average. No wonder. That was how I took over that place. At this point, this house needs serious renovation. For the fact that the house was not with you, it was through me and my two sisters that we handed the place over to you. We are taking it over. We can't fall down and watch the house go down the drain. So if there is anything at my own end to help, to take care of you, if I have, I'll do. That is my own.
Okay. And simple. Thereafter, you quit the person, you gave him or her
I funded the money.
And then there was no apartment at that moment for Mama to be looking at.
No, she doesn't have any apartment in that place.
And Mama, that time, which year was that?
This last year.
Okay. Before last year, which you said eight years ago, that is when you allow Mama made a feed for that flat. Okay, hold on. How many years Mama chop money for that flat?
For like 5 years.
5 years. They were paid to her like 5 years. Okay. And why you can't collect her now? Just give us reason. No, they want to renovate and she after the renovate, people will still rent her now. But Mama say you don't finally come on time for her hand. Yes. Why?
Yeah. Before
let's make I first tell you something though. As far as my experience in many cases and like this world is concerned, when you marry a man, you comot go marry another man, and the man come die, you no fit come dey drag property o. Maybe some culture yes o, the one say when I know, but as far e born una, she indirectly na she get the property the same way una carry am come inside, give am some apartment. That is very normal. But that one no mean say una when you first give am, if things no come pure for una, maybe financially una not stable, una can still tell mama, where I be dey give you for 400, e no work again o. I will dey give you 200 make you dey manage, because na your load to carry her until she die. Whether she get 1 million children, you go play your role, everybody go. The same way be my mama, na she be mama of the rest children. Nothing like because his first child, his last child will not take care of my mother. But now I understand. Mama no marry that man again, he even go born for another person. I no be say na the man right way say give my first wife because she was so bad or good to me. In this case, now with understanding, we go take talk am so that mama will see where to feed until she die. Now no, this is no need quarrel at all. Now I know as una like una marriage, now make una give am. Una know as una no like am again or na condition make crayfish burn una come collect am. But now una duty to feed am. More when this woman get good sight, una feed am. Now when no get good sight, na me na wan come leave am for.
A husband will take charge.
He say no girls my again.
I'm just hearing that for the first time.
Mama, you say you don't leave that man since 5 years. One only 5 years. Give her now, give her, give her. Give my word now. Mama, wait now, me go ask, now you go answer.
Yeah.
That man when you born for, now still they greet hello. She is still there alive.
She is there alive.
And how many wife you get?
Before.
You enter come up for 4.
No, nobody dey inside the house when I marry her.
Why they get this? If you anywhere you go, 4 would come there. Anyway, more leave that one. Maybe you be person when they draw good people near body. You be person when they go with crowd. Anywhere you go, good thing go follow you. Many children. I make those women come meet you, but more leave that one first. The man still there alive.
He dey alive.
And as far now you fair rich before you marry the rest 3. Now you go get the lion big share now. The man get house.
Yes.
You know he get house, but he not wait oga. He get house na 2 bedroom. He build.
2 bedroom.
With the 2 inside, we marry that one follow me again. I no fit me that feed me.
Wait, no
So,
worry. No, and a small question.
That's why I
They
live
live for the house, or you they live for rent?
I live my rent too. Rent.
Na rent you dey. Okay, no worry. How you say the man when not they stay, we will come they carry and go take care of him. You not reach to take care of nation. Aisha Buhari, I be what they call her Buhari wife. You resemble her now. God must bless you so that you can bless your mother. If you are doing this to your mother, you don't know say blessing go far. Blessing go far. No, mama, you treat mother with care even though they are wicked. Your mother, I'm not talking to you, mama. Mama, not be you are the talk to. Anything when I want to talk, not be you. Let me use myself so that you don't misunderstand me. My mother can be wish and wicked.
I'm a wish.
Mama, I not talk to you now. My mother, my mama. Now I tell just now say not be you. Now my mama they talk. You have to be me no way. You have to be me. Fi be wish. They wicked. She ain't let be me, mama. You have me mobile. If I say because it be wish, I can't curse her. Say mama wish. You wicked woman, she can't curse me. You know, say God add in a mysterious way. Woman when he wicked, when I curse it because he wicked, I curse her. If he curse me, suppose work, no. But because God is mysterious, he act in a mysterious way. Woman when he wicked, when I go speak for God, to fear you, mama, wicked mama, he can't curse me. If whether he dey alive or he die, you know, say the curse, he will come dey my body. They will come see him. Maybe her father don't pray. Say, your mother curse you. And not true. If you beat your mama because she wicked, you go say, now so pikin will beat you. After, maybe don't die, don't go, not day to return curse. Your pikin will they beat you, they disgrace you for street. They will come, they find out, wait, this pikin went good before. Wait till you enter her. they will say na your mama when you beat na him make the thing come back to you. So what am I trying to say? If you talk say mama as he even come here come call you based on say maybe they hungry, say as he no happy, say na happiness will follow you. No let Afa deceive you, no let pastor deceive you. Na so we meet am. So this mama now, if I'm not mistaken, we don reach 70 years and I know say e pass. She said no we pray to God say make he spend another 70 years. Na suffer wan suffer be that. That means where he don pass na him big pass where he dey go. If you can take care of mama reach here where he don, when be say the remaining one na him small, what are you doing with property? You wan carry am go? No be your papa build wetin una dey fight for. You can build, your children can build. This woman now, if you lead down dey pray to God say make spend another 70 years na cost. If she say amen na cost 140, how e wan be? If she get 20 years say join this one, she go tell God say thank you. If you get 15 years sef na still thank you tell God. Even 10 5 years from now na thank you. So una go settle at the way everybody go dey their own. I no say go give am house, I no say no give am, but you go program your mama, carry your 3 sisters, whether una dey live good or not with mama, make una go meet on una own. Abeg o, so amount make we dey send to mama make e dey live her life. How money take come e no concern am, make she just dey happy for the rest of her life. No be burial she want. Cow mama after 7 days come kick cow. No, you are just doing that one. That one is necessity. It's good that she come here to know that house no belong to her, but that one no mean say make una no let her enjoy even in the wicked. I not talk say wicked. Na your responsibility. If he die, you no go through where or leave am for road say he wicked. You go see carry and go bury am the way that they bury people. Either because make e no dey smell or make community no come call you say come carry your dead body. You must do all those things whether mama is good or not. So why wetin remain? If I get mother like this, make I no see am, I go dey send money to am. Don't enter my house because you kill my son, you want to kill my wife. But you go dey put am to where e no go even reach my house, so that if you leave I no go come knock my gate say hungry wan kill me. If you no make I die for your house. I have somebody I'm sending money to. The last time I saw the person was 2002. I don't want to see him. I help almost everybody. I don't want to see that person, and it's in my family. But I never fail to send money every month. Before it will lie, I don't broke all the line, but the same person, I dey put money for the person I can't give am. But any day I forget to send, that person call me, I don't remember pick. He will go call me with strange line. Say, what about my monthly money? I said, this woman, I no wan hear her voice again. I better make them quickly send money to her. But if I say I no go send money, he go find way come my house. And I disgrace for my side, say, kill me na shebi you get money, you are dey hungry. But when I dey settle one, he dey her own, I dey my own. Because wetin he do me when I small, I no wan forget. All my dream, when I know say the ring for my head, she put am down physically. And I'm suffering for me today. So now I say I no go fight you, but you no go come close to my words. I will dey give you the words chop, but don't come close to me, because when you come close to me, it reminds me of what I missed when I was still very young, having the opportunity to do so. I no say me una come judge too much. We go talk am here, mama, we go take care of you, but anything we get, see as we want take care of you. Mama will go because one, I don't know the culture. If you know say mama that culture na be your own, you will tell public. As far as me concerned, and the comment here when other comrade they put here, you don't marry person, you don't comot, you don't live am, go born, dey there, the person even still dey alive. Your pikin when dey there don't marry when you born for am. These people, their papa die, they say okay because their papa get money, they share for them. They give you one apartment, may they service you. So maybe one thing lead to the other, they take them back. Yes, they no go say they take them, but make them still give you, so long you dey alive, make them give you waiting you go dey shop.
Oga, now I talk. My house rented 1.5 years now.
Use the mic.
My house rented I never pay 1.5 years now.
They will go pay.
This my leg wey dem go do am for me na 250. So na person I pay one. I suppose person give me money. Give me 100,000. I want woman borrow me that 100,000. I say I go give am January when the that man give me money. I no see am. I dey work for the woman. If he come, I go no go talk. If he call me, I no answer am. Na 2 days ago now he say make he help me beg am.
Dem go pay. Give Safrat na him be senior. Safrat, wetin your mama do you when you no wan take care of her?
Hello, point of correction. I'm not working. So
No.
if I'm working,
Yeah.
I have money.
That means you don't
I
have
take care of
problem
her.
with her.
I don't have
Okay.
at all.
But why you no make her understand say your level for money get as you wave?
She knows.
Did you tell her?
She knows.
You go school.
Yes.
No let us not dey speak English.
Yes.
And because who no get sense can learn from book.
Yes.
But different dey between learning from book and natural one. Okay, now you get sense, you go school. If you know say if person dey pass now, e fall down, but you dey we fall down, you do well like say you know say but you don already say na your friend. No say another day when you come see am say my friend wetin do you for leg when you dey waka like this? You go say you know na, you say how I take know, you tell me. You go say but you see am, or I think say you dey outside that day, you can deny it. But if him call you Safrat, he say how are you my friend? Say no fine o, I fall for machine yesterday. And that one that they say I tell am. Even if you dey work for Obama before, helicopter dey carry you come, your mama no come see you or helicopter carry you come for US again. He can still deny say if helicopter no carry you come no mean say you no dey work. Na you go say mama they don take my work na make helicopter no dey bring me come. Na that one that they say mama no.
Yes. I told
When
her.
in a yes, now you are talking. In a situation like this, you go meet am. Mama, sorry o, see that work you no come dey again. You don already pray inform her. So when you dey pray to God say may another work you never come and you no wait make you go down, you go meet am. My only source of income na be this house mama o. Children must go school and this and that. Mama abeg, na one room or na 1 naira na I wan dey give you from today go. Na when she come say no, because na you first get her, na you give her, maybe you now take it by force like the way you took it now, and you now start to subsidize, start to assist her. You understand? Good. Mama say in the owe, and outside owe, she need to be taken care of. So tell us how you want, you and your sister, both the one when born for another man and three of una, one take handle mama situation, make the world know whether mama get better children or be na die and share she get.
Hello. The issue there is that for the past 8 years, I've not been working. I've been searched at my office, and she's aware of this because I told her I gave her the details. But unfortunately, till now, she has never for a second even asked how far with it, and it's not a new thing to me. That is the more reason why I said, okay, for now that I'm not working, maybe she rent out that place and start a business. And unfortunately later she said for her then, because I know quite well the flat was meant for maintenance work, because she was clamoring for shop that she wanted to start a business. That was why I said, okay, still take this one and do that. So at this point, as I am now, I'm not working. So if I know it's our responsibility to take care of her. Even our brother called me. That was my uncle. He called my 2 sisters, asking how far we've gone and what we have in plan. I told him that anytime I have anything on me, I will surely give. Before now, when I was working, every one of them can testify to it, that I don't hide my things. I take good care of her. The same thing with my sisters. They too can testify to it. So now that I'm not working, you don't expect me to go and steal. There's nothing I can do than to continue praying.
Still coming from the flat now.
That house is my father's property. I don't expect us to still visit that issue. She is not married to my father, and as a matter of fact, I must point it out here. It was a big fight between her and my daddy before he died, insisting that he was the one responsible for the pains he was going through then. And he even said it. Initially he told every one of us that he was going to sell all his properties before he died. But close to the point of his death, he called me and told me that he was only threatening us that he was going to sell those properties so that we can concentrate on our studies. That he has not sold any of his properties, but he will leave those properties to us, his children. Okay. So he talk say, now he just dey talk say he won't sell the properties. So he know they sell. He just use that one to make us to sit up so that we go work hard, achieve something in life. No be say we dey look for him property, say property dey down, we no need to go school, no need to do that, this and that. So after that, he called and later told me in particular that he no sell any of his properties. So they are on ground, nothing done. But he will keep on telling me that my mama should hands off from his condition. I called my mama. At this point, we can put a call across to my father's family that, Mama, please, I'm begging you. The embarrassment dey too much for me. As my papa dey shout up and down, say, na you dey do am, the thing wey dey happen to am, him leg dey pain am. This thing, as this papa dey talk am, the thing don dey embarrass me for this area. Abeg, go there, go meet am, clear your name. Though she go there herself, go meet papa. But unfortunately, me, I was expecting her to go there and like clear up her name. But my papa called me later and tell me, say, your mama don come o, but as she take come, she dey beg me say make I no shout in matter outside. I say okay, no problem. Baba, I will still say it that my mama no fit give that kind thing to you. Say my mama no fit do that kind thing for you. Abeg. He say no, he no go gree. Na so go dey tell everybody up and down.
Who say no dey gree?
My papa. See, everybody from my area, na so they go tell all of them. The thing dey embarrass me. I met the imam. I tell am say abeg, help me talk to this man. The embarrassment dey too much. Everybody, even my stepbrothers, to a point that they no dey beat my mama again. I say, wetin happen now? They say because of the matter wey dey ground. Okay, no wahala. I leave that to God because I'm not God. It's only God that sees what is hidden. I'm not God. But concerning our own health, taking care of her, if anything I have, I can always go down to her and give. In fact, at a point, I even wanted to visit her. That was like 2-3 years ago. Yes. But there was an issue. I was renovating the flat that belongs to me. It was the person that parked out was owing for years. Eventually the guy parked out. So I was renovating that flat. She had that there was a store beside my flat, and I converted it to, as in I made it a kitchen for the person in that flat. She was now telling me that, why did I do such? I said, why? She said, no, I don't have the right. I said, no, it is not me that will tell me that I don't have the right. This thing belongs to me and my sisters. They are the one that can ask me why I did that, and I will explain to them. No problem. So I now told her that, okay, you know what, Mama, I'll come down to your place. She said, no, I don't want to see you here. In fact, if you come here, you know like what I'll do to you. And at a point, you're my mother. At a point, I said 2-3 years ago. I'm talking of 3 years ago.
Mama,
I don't have time for all this. It only costs me anything to stand up and leave this place. Sir, I said okay. I said why? He said no, I don't want to see you. See, let me even let you know. I'll come with police to come and meet you. Me and my children. She was referring to my 2 sisters that they'll be coming to visit me, or they call me, or they'll call a lawyer that should come and explain myself to her. I said she's here. I said my father's house or your husband's house. That was what I asked. I don't need to hide anything. Anything I say, I'll say it. If I don't say it, I'll tell you I don't say it. I said my father's house or your father's house or your husband's house. I said, are you referring to Alimsi's property or Olajide's property or Raji's property? She was angry, said, how dare you ask me such a question? I said, you are telling me that if you don't even want to see my leg there again, that you and your children will come over and serve me a letter from a lawyer. I said, hey, okay, I'll be waiting. I should not come to our second call. So no problem. I dropped the call. Ever since then, we've not had any discussion.
All right. According to where you have reached so far, yes. I understand that there is something beyond where we have been and what we have been saying. Exactly. Just like you never wanted to
exactly
life.
Exactly.
I understand that even though you have this money, Mama is drawing a battle line with you, and you want her to stay off you and your property, if I'm not mistaken.
She's staying off the properties.
I know she's staying off already, but that was the reason why you made her stay off you and the property, because she never calmed down as a mother that needed help. Rather, she was like a mate to you. Is that, am I right?
It goes beyond that.
Good. Mama, now has be the problem, or you and this your pikin get quarrel when you get for mind against stand. This your pikin. You know, say the way we dey treat this matter before, we dey treat am like say pikin come, he take house, and we dey beg am make he give am back. He say not be like that o, say na battle for the family. Say you sef dey warn am sef, say make he comot for that house. He say na problem when you dey give am like say na you get the house. Na mama farabale o, say na him make am. Come talk say shey in your papa house abi your husband when you come go marry house abi your own house na you dey warn her like that.
Oga,
mama wait first. Mama, we not be caught o. The only thing we can tell this your daughter, na wetin I tell am before, make e carry your responsibility as a mother when children like to help and when no fit help herself. But for the house, if you go court, you no get case. If you go, we not be court, but we dey tell people things when e fit happen for court in case dem still wan go, make dem go. If you go court, you no go win. But as a responsible children they claim to be, they supposed to take care of their mother. That is what they should do. But say for the house, no go pass here. No go pass here. If you go court, you no get case. They know they see Yoruba court. Say, now so that they share the house for like that. You understand? Now that's tradition, culture. And your old man don't come up for culture because you leave the man, you go marry, you not come back before he die. If to say you come back, mama wait, now your statement at the talk. Now you give me statement. If to say you come back, the man will come say, this house, oh yeah, he go write am, because if you not write am, some children will still take am for you. Now Oyibo they call will. If husband not write will and he not call family member when they dey there, when you dey, when they say Sunday, abeg in case I die, my children when they abroad wan come, tell them say na this woman na I give that flag. If you not talk like that, even some stubborn children still dey go court win. So now, mama leave trouble. I not also you be troublemaker, leave trouble with them. If they no want change, make you say change on your own. As far they no want change, make we talk. As they wanted they support you. If na business you want see fit do when you dey do before, you go talk am here. They will go put heads together. They will go rent place for you, buy things for you. You go dey do your business. In case you dey owe, they will call the mama listing o. In case you dey owe, they will call the people when you dey owe. They will confirm am say shey na you my mama dey owe. Say yes, we go dey give you money like this, like this, like this. Now we go dey pay. They dey see children like that. So that they go open business for you. I don't know wetin the store na rent you rent am if I be na you dey market for them. The store, the two store, na you dey do business there, I be na rent you rent am out. Mama, na you are dey talk to.
Which is in which store?
You say they carry four flat and two store.
When you share, now you share.
Use mic, use mic.
When she share the house, he give me 2 shop, 4-bedroom flats. So after, when I call that woman in January.
The question I ask you simple. Now you dey sell for there, be na rent
I give rentage.
Mama, dem say na 5 years na dem allow you take rent, na true?
Oga, I no tell them say I wan do business before dem give me house.
And not be that one talk. The one when they give you, the one they give you. Shey now you reach 5 years when you collect rent for there. When they reach 5 years, when you collect money for the rent, you reach.
You know reach.
How many years?
I know we are business. I sick. I know. I see
they talk say na
2017. Now I dey my day house. I no go anywhere.
Yeah, sorry, mama.
With this side. And you know,
wetin you want make your children do for you, mama?
Let them pay my rentage and money wey I don't move back to.
That one me sef dey talk.
They won't give you to you know the say make I go no beg, make I go beg for shop.
No, you don't hold pass who they beg.
I go dey beg for they go borrow, they go give me money for shop, I go beg for shop.
Now you dey show say you strong. Now they say they think say mama still strong. It will say you don't. Mama wait, I dey feel your voice now. Your pikin never feel say you don soft. Now make am.
Na lie lie on me.
Use mic.
Na lie on me. I know me say I say I should not come my house. Na lie on me. The time when I sick, when I did get this health problem. Na him sister of him brother and husband. Na throwing the stick for my eye. Na him husband's brother.
Yeah, Safra was my brother.
Husband sister.
Na him wound you.
Na him wound me.
And your daughter not do anything.
He first.
Okay, first.
He first. I even like not believe them since now.
Okay.
Whether they don't say to I don't know. So, but the husband since I dey house 4 years, your husband no come me say, Mama, Mama, don't come. I don't tell her say I want to do business. He give me that house. He said he will share this one for you. If you don't give me again, if my parents take their own.
He not give you again.
That's it. That they go, but she said make it, but she make I go outside. Make I go stay.
Give Mama, give her mic.
Say make I go stay.
Mama, wait first. Tell the word whether you give Mama a girl or you not give her. They have the apartment. Here you want repair and come give her, you don't collect them back. Use mine.
She is not in possession of the flat.
You don't collect them back.
Yes.
Simple now. They speak simple English. They take English. They disturb me. Mama tó jókòó síwájú yẹn. Mi fẹ́ sọ ẹ̀yin. Kó ẹ̀yin kọ́ ìyá wa kó dákẹ́ díẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin lágbàlagbà mà. All right. Okay, now you can see Mama's soft voice. She agree. She agreed that she get her by agreement, not be her husband, late husband or else give her. Now you, when you take her, now you still give her. Now as an old woman, she dey owe and she never want die. She want eat before you die. What can you and your sister put her together to do? She's owing and she need to continue life.
Point of correction. Whatever decision, any decision made concerning my father's properties.
Nobody is talking about your father's
property. I'm just clearing that fact. It's a decision made by me and my two sisters.
All right.
Then going back to the question you asked, I've said it here that the three of us with the fourth girl, if there is a meeting, I for one, I'm not working. I can't speak for others. I'm not working. But there is no way I will have that will not visit her and give. Now that she has cleared it here that I can have every right to come and pay her a visit, come to her house, I will surely go there if there is anything on me. But as I speak to you, I'm not working. Like I'm fasting.
Like
I don't need to lie.
It's like you are not getting it, sister.
Okay.
You say you are the first child of her.
Yes.
And let me tell you, in every position in life, as far as children are concerned, coming first, God has a reason. Coming last, there is a purpose. Yes. Middle, there is a purpose for every number.
Of course.
Your position right now is what I'm telling you. Whether you are working or not, whether you are the one to provide the money or not, your position is to go home, call your family to a place, a meeting place, I don't know where.
Okay.
Then you now say, Mama claimed in this office of the human rights that she's owing.
Okay.
Mama said she's this, and Mama also said they want to eject her from the rent.
Okay.
What can we do? Okay. Everybody say that. You say, as for me, I would have loved to do something, but you know I am not able.
Okay.
You claim that you can do it, but you are stressing me. She's not my mother.
I understand.
If she said today she's going to your house, no police can move her. I don't know if you know. You go school. She will just carry something, say my daughter's house. It will stay corridor. Nothing they move her. This one they say whether you want me I go express. Now just talk, you know. He go come your house. Nobody they move her. He go even say no eating day hunger strike. Now your house you want die pool. You cannot touch her. At the end, na beg you go beg. After many years of no begging, that day you go dey beg. No be my mother. If I run away from my mother and she happen to find where I live, he stay front of my gate, say motor no dey come out, no dey go in. Na beg, na we be forced to settle. So stop wasting my time. Go and hold meeting with your body, or they are all your siblings, whether they born am for another man or another whatever.
Of course.
That makes it 4. Hold meeting even without mama. Una go collect wetin una dey give mama. So if mama said she's owing, you take the number or the address from mama. You send somebody there among you to confirm. You now say, priest, this is what we'll be paying you every 3 months. Not disturb our mama again, I beg you, yeah? If we get, we fit pay you once, but for now, we dey pay you small. Then you now tell mama, your when you dey owe, it not concern you again, but don't worry how we are going to do it. Then she said she dey owe for house. Una ask. See, they say yes, it truly do. Landlady or landlord, we go dey pay small. Now so you go come still know how much you give at a date. You never finish. If to say your papa no build house, this thing I dey talk una go still do am more. You don't. I hope you see say I no dey judge house matter again.
I understand, you know.
I'm off that lane.
Of course.
I'm talking as a mother. She is.
Yes.
So you go and forget. I know if I allow you talk here, there are many things you people don't want to talk. The family is not settled. There is a battle in the family, and you were one of the person your father loved most, and you were feeling the pain that your daddy was feeling then, and you are not seeing your mother like if not be you. She be, you know, say person die, say na person make am die. You go think say 30 years to come for still there alive to say my mama no kill am. You always feel to say not be my mama, my papa for still dey today. While I say your papa say for don maybe for don die. So that pain of accusing person, e always there. If not be my mama when e not stay for our house, when e come leave and go marry, she be something for not be like the way e be. If we think of that one, life no go settle, my sister. This woman is not coming to live with you. Just put her to where she belong, where she will be fine. Move on with your life. You understand? If I allow you to talk wetin dey your mind and dey this family, this time tomorrow we go dey here. Your mind is heavily loaded, but you just hold yourself to abeg make I no talk, abeg make I no talk, and you almost talk just now. I know a lot dey there. Who that one go help? E no help anybody again. Pray for yourself, make you not go down. Do some sacrifice by putting mama to where you know say I do my best. No best is good enough. Whosoever you dey help, he wish na him be like you. He no need help. You know understand? When you are helping some people, they wish to be in that your position and be the one helping you. But then you just do your best. You pray for yourself. You take your, even this prayer you fasting you are doing now, you just feel what you can settle your family now. Pray your prayer. You will see it will be more better than the ones you are praying, because put everything aside. See in your mind that I don't know who is disturbing me. I don't have problem with anybody. Now who they disturb me, now he and God. I don't know who they after me. Then you move on. I know of so many mothers that they were mad. You know when they say madness, those when they go, when they know they enter us again. But when they die at the, some of them die at the roadside, their children come outside to come and pick the corpse and go and bury their mother. After uncountable years of madness, it happened in my mother's village a lot. And that is not the case. If mama is wicked, you people are alive. If to say na wish, you people still there. You understand? But na different problem that they see. Not be only who die, not be get problem. That should not be your portion. You understand? So go and try your best. Mama will not come and disturb you again. She will only come and disturb you when she's hungry. She's not after the house again. After all, not be her house. Now love you take give her. Whether you collect her for hatred, it's none of anybody's business. You see that if you look outside now, you see one jeep there. I gave my sister. When she become ungrateful to me, I came from Holland. I bought ticket because of her. I collect it. She start to fight me. I brought police for area M and remove my motor. till now I no give. And na me dey tell you so. Na that motor be that one. I collected it 2016. I no give back till today. It's not my stuff of car, but instead of me to give, I prefer to dash person. When he dey for station, when they drive, I tell the commander say, instead me I give, I will set fire here in the station. They say not burn our station. They release it to me. When somebody you feel, I'm not talking to your mother, when somebody is not appreciating you and is kind of being ungrateful, you say I need my property, but nothing they do you. I'm not talking to your mother. It can happen to anybody, but that is not the case. If that girl was my mother, even though I seize the car, I will still go give later, or I will provide for her because she's my mother. But because she's not my mother, I took that advantage. Waiting, your mate go meet your husband or go marry or whatever. After all, I made mistake by giving you. You understand? But mother case is different. You understand? So I beg, go and put your family together. Here, when mama dey hungry, you go to think of the children in a negative way. But when she's happy, she no insent. It's like make una not even come disturb my enjoyment self. You understand? So go and do your homework. Try and put the past aside, because one day you're gonna miss her when she's gone. If you were not having help, if she was not a big woman, you may have need her to say, help me hold my daughter as they come. But because God has settled that area, she's like she's not useful. She's highly useful. But because all of you have the type of help you need, she's like, oh, I don't have mother. But when she died, thereafter, say, I wish na the time my mother, the way even they shout, if I shout for that woman when they talk to me. You know, you can bring your mother to come and show to somebody that is behaving to you negative way. I have a mother like you. Mama enter motor. See this old woman when old like you. See the way they do me like say, I no get mama. Now that time you didn't say mama action is good for some places. You understand? There are some people you cannot talk back at. You go and bring your mother to talk back at them. Mama say, leave my pikin if you don't want to see what they find. You know, say every old woman, they in Africa, there seems to be wish. So when the old woman come home, you say, if you don't leave my daughter, I will tell you, say, na my daughter. You don't know, say, na, they say, na ajeni o, ole pawa o, leave me pikin o. Now when your mama die, now you they remember this one. Your mother, in most cases, they are not always useful until when you lost them. Alright, this is where we are going to stop. Mama, Woman Lord Shepade, they are going to do meeting here on how to sort your problem out. Because they are not complete yet. Even the one that call you her own, you know, they here. So 4 of them. Now Safrat, my friend. Now you go call them. You not concern you, but they will get back to you. How they want to sort your problem out, okay? Mama, you hear English, oh? I know say you get your action, oh. They carry money come, they want pay here now. Now it be the meeting. Now be the meeting. Now be the meeting. Now she. Okay, Mama, you want me to pay for here now?
They talk.
Talk,
If it happen, now you talk. Because I know they hold them. That's why they know what's about me. Because they hold them, they will survive me. Because our people get out for our house. The wicked, their wickedness. They can treat people. And 2 people don't die for our house now. Because of holding them money. They call one day, the workman fall down. You collapse. Now go save them. One day, that one man, he died.
They not get children like this, now make them die. They not, Mama, listen.
Because they want to collect money for their
Mama, listen. Your target, your aim, your vision, a big pass waiting your pikin fit handle. Now it make you see say you think say you get problem. To say you relax like average mother, make that they take care of you, and may you not be the director. you for not even think say you get problem, but you still feel like I can handle it, I can manage it, I should be in charge. By now, if to say na company you get when you dey manage, by now even if you never die, you suppose don leave am for your children say dey manage am. So you still want to be in charge at your age. Don be in charge, make you see money eat, look good, na you go dey talk now. So if to say you wan cut your code according to your side, any debt you dey owe you no fit pay, go sit down for any of their house, make dem use that stick hit your eye again this time, make dem know wetin human right come there. You go look for na there dey see am. So that one no be the case. Na you first say make dem no come your house, na she says sit down. But you don agree na say go dey come as you don talk am.
He say no, if you like you go call me, if you no like you don't call me. Something I sit down here now.
Mama, you go leave your pikin make dem go do meeting. Joe, my friend, my own dey enter your ear at all. Abeg, na so you go do o. Na you are carving way how your pikin go treat you in your old age o. You are not helping mama o. You are blessing your future and your present. That's why you see say some people dey do akara go give old people. Na Sarah you dey do when you dey help your mama o. You strong now, you dey talk like parrot. If you dey like mama na so you still dey talk like mama, you no get too much power again, no be say you sick. Everything get time. So that time when you need assistance, na your children go assist you o, in the name of Allah o. Now na you dey assist your mama, after na them your children will assist you, after your children will assist your children o. You are not helping me o. Even me when dey here na help, I dey help you by giving you this advice. Blessing na dey take dey get work, blessing na dey take dey get money, na blessing na dey bring favour o. Argument, like when person quarrel with you in the morning, even husband or wife, if you go outside, some of them dey get bad luck. But if they laugh, hug, kiss, then they tell you say the day was good. Blessing na be life o. If na as dem take get power, dem take dey get money, na we for poor pass for this world o. But when blessing and many other things follow am, you get the money. To get am na another thing, how to use am na another thing. So go and settle your own. Dey send wetin una fit send to mama. Debt, dem no dey keep person wey dey owe debt if you no pay am today, but dem dey clear am step by step. If person dey owe, mama dey owe person 100,000, una can decide to pay am for a year, even more, with understanding. You have to be between you people and who mama is owing, not between mama and them. Mama, if to say you no get this opportunity with the own landlord, you no go sit down for one of your pikin frontage say you must pay your debt, or you will sit down for their house. Na so na the opportunity when you take be big madam right from time. Now you see the thing say na so e still be. Make you cool down. Why dey settle children? Na because of old age o. When their papa dey complain, even he lie no lie, you suppose settle your pikin because of old age. And by now you no go too dey let body dey hurt you, make dem no dey remember wetin don pass. Make everybody forget every past and live new life, so that you go see who take care of you reach that day. All this shout mama, you don old pass am, you don big pass am. If you dey do like this, how you want to settle another person if I carry matter come meet you? Give them chance, make dem go get meeting. We no tell dem say bring money when dem dey come just now, so we no go fit say bring the money to pay. Let dem go get meeting. Wetin dem do to you, they are not doing it to you, their children will do it to them. It's a blessing. They serve you well, their children serve them well. Anything they do for you na sacrifice, make their way open, not because say you be rich, because say you don old. Who take care of you take care of herself. Who help you help his or herself. If I have you to help, I know I'm helping myself. You understand? Mama, make you say calm down, they drink water, yeah? Me now self, I just dey come for hospital just now when I go check test, make I know wetin I wan treat to myself. You know, see say I no fit shout again. You say this age you just dey shout. Only shout when I dey shout here every once in a week. I dey go check my BP. I no know wetin una shop when una dey young. We no see that food shop when una go shout old people una no dey get BP. Young people shout small now. If I shout small, say I dey get headache. Mama, wetin una shop una small? The food still there. Me I wan shop wetin una don shop o. Alright, Safrat, I not talk to you make the word for the sweet o. If you come on here, come dey say I just want tell the man say yes. Now yourself you help, yeah? Not see like you are helping mama. Go and do it, okay? If God will surely bless you because you are still young. If God bless you, you see this kind of old woman on the way, or you have the opportunity to talk to you in your office, you will not call the children, you will give her money to go and pay whatever her problem is. So if you cannot see your mother like a mother, like a biological mother, see your mother like a woman you can see outside and feel like helping her. Okay? Don't worry. Leave the past for God. And God will surely bless all of you, including mama. Not be how long person stay for life, you take the story, take the change. You understand? Mama, shall be well with all of us. Shall be well with me. I pray for and I'm not saying me, I pray for myself, I'm not saying me, but okay. All right. We just allow only 10 people to call in as usual. What you think, your observation in this matter and your advice is just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 090 3024 84 is the number. 090 3024 84 is the number. Zero 3024 as usual. Good afternoon. Your name and where you calling from?
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How are you, sir?
I'm alright. Your name and where you calling from?
Okay, I'm calling from Edo State. I'm Mrs. Collins.
Alright.
Please, I actually love the way you talked about this issue. So what I need to tell the girl, this question, and the daughter, working or no working, to have taken care of her mother. As she is there, she can eat. In as she can eat, her mother can also eat. You don't need to be doing big work before doing anything for anybody. So I will advise her to go with your outside. It really helps her a lot. So old woman is already an old woman. A mother, whether she got married to someone else or she was not married to the father, it doesn't really count. A mother is a mother. So she's still your mother. She brought you into this world. So you need to play your role as a daughter. That is all. Thank you, sir.
All right. God bless you. We have 9 months. Today we are not taking much. We are expecting the president to call in also. Good afternoon. Your name and where you calling from?
Yeah, good afternoon. This is Lex.
All right.
Yeah, Chairman, job well done. No?
Thank you.
You really understood well. God bless you, sir. For wisdom, God bless you, sir. And I want to talk to those students, Mama. See, this case that you are actually fighting for, no? I have one thing in this situation. But one thing you should understand that Sema has actually said, Mama is your responsibility. Whether it's like it or not, you have to take the marriage. It's a sign that Mama remarried. The fact that Mama remarried does not mean you don't have part to play in her life, okay? Whatever you are doing for Mama now, you should remember what she has done for you in the past. Forget whatever might have transpired, because even with the way you both were laughing, when Mama mentioned the statement that she is not married again, I thought the way both of you were laughing is not good. Treat Mama like you will treat Mama. There's always these blessings that come along when you actually take care of your parents. Even the Bible says honor. I know it will say there in the Quran. It says honor your parents. Honor does not mean just respecting them. There are so many things you should do. Forget anything Mama has done. Mama has lived her life. She has played her part. And definitely she will still go like Shema said. She cannot play for 70 years again. So the little time that you have to spend with Mama, make her happy. Forget the house issue. What you know you can give Mama financially, support. It will be a thing of a shame that people are coming from outside to come and take care of your mother while you are alive. It will be a shame. We as children, we are praying for God to bless us. So that when He blesses us, we can take care of Mama. The joy and pride of Mama now is the children that she has. When you see where the women are talking, they are not talking about their own again. They are making mouth with their children. My children did this for me. My children did that for me. That's what Mama should experience at this age. Not coming to sit and just say to Mama, say this. I know you are fighting for your rights. It is good. But there should be a limit. Make Mama understand and show her love. Above all, this age, you should show her love. Care for her. The little you can give her. Let her know I don't have. Okay, she mentioned the sister that she should not come to her house. And you as another sister, you not sat down. Because Mama says she should not go, you don't want to go. It is a cause, though. It is a cause. Take care of Mama. Even if Mama offended you, you don't say Mama to come down on her knees to beg you. It's not done anyway. It is a responsibility to make her happy. Even when she's offending you, make her happy. That's your own part that you are playing as a child. That's why God has positioned you there. Allah kept you there for a purpose. Fulfill it. Mama will still leave you. When Mama leaves you now, it is what you've done for Mama that God will talk about. It's not when you now go and buy 2 cars, you want to bury Mama, you want to do this. It's what you do for Mama now that Mama don't start to talk about. It's what your own children will do. So you need to take care of Mama. Call your younger ones, put them together. If you can laugh in public where people are watching, they will be laughing at Mama. I wonder what you would see the secret. It is wrong. And for Mama at least will know. They can't. Children will take care of you. They will take care of you. They pray for them. Don't become the fight property, you won't fight property, you won't collect this. Look, this age when you did now, if you ask Allah for anything, they will give you. So at this time you go sit down, put your two legs for ground, they pray. Your picking said you not get job. Tell Allah to make you give a job. God forgive that if you give a job, you will take care of you. Mama said, calm down, Please, daughters, I beg, take care of your mother.
All right, God
will provide for you people. Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Chairman, please, can I ask a question? I don't even need it. I'm asking directly. Can I ask a question?
Ask.
This video shooting that you are doing, is it on internet?
Yes, it's in our YouTube. I mean, on our Facebook.
On your Facebook? I don't like the idea because as the lady, I heard what she was saying. And at the point, I wanted to raise an issue. And I told you this is a family affair. And if I decide to speak up, this place will not contain me because I know the mother I have.
Nobody's asking you to speak up. They are only advising you to
Yes,
take care of
yes, I know. But at this point, please, I don't like this kind of embarrassment. I've cleared it here now that property belongs to my father and not to be shared with my mother. It's a clear fact. Now, taking care of her. Excuse me, sir. Taking care of her now, you've advised us on what to do. And before now, I should make it clear to you. Ask her, she's here. When I was working, what did I do with my salary? Throughout my life, throughout my period, the period I've been working. This is my sister, she can testify to it. This is my sister, she can testify to it.
It's better you pour your anger and first.
Let me talk, please, let me talk.
Go ahead.
Before now, when I was working, I never neglected any member of my family. My mother and my 3 sisters. I've sacrificed more than enough. Even the one that followed me, unfortunately she's not here. She can discuss some other things here that will even shock you. At this point, when I stopped working, ask me what happened.
What happened?
That I was stopped. Please, I don't want to go to that level. I'm a very popular person. And the moment we leave here now, start receiving calls. And I know what it means. That all this while, why did you hide this thing? It goes beyond this place that I'm sitting. It goes beyond here. It's a spiritual issue. I don't buy the idea at all. I've endured enough. For as I'm sitting down and swallowing so many things, you made that point. You know, I look at you. I've swallowed so many things. I can't do more than this. When I decided, I even decided to stay out of school. When I was in secondary school, both of the sufferness, that I was going to my father's house. But because I wanted the best for me and my sisters, I decided to stay in school and to stay in the house. And at the point, I didn't even want to go to an institution. But because of my mother, that I wanted to go to school and be a great person in life so I can take care of my mother. And after doing all this, to what? What is the result? All the job I've been doing, I secured it myself without the help of nobody. If I say anything after this place will go beyond what you can even stand. If I say what stopped my work, you will not like it here. Please, I'm done. I'm going.
Okay, please.
I'm done.
Don't say it.
Please, I'm done, I'm going. I've enjoyed it. In addition to what she said, when she was sacked,
Calm her first.
no, let me talk. When she was sacked,
I said calm her.
when she was sacked,
When both of you are talking, you will know that I am calm her.
Auntie, when she was sacked, she was fine. Then she came back from work, and she explained everything to me. I went home to meet this mama. You know what mama told me? Mama said, you know what mama said? Why is she looking for a job? She should stay at home and be eating now. Why is she looking for a job? Everybody say, mama, this is not out of fire. See, this is prostitution now. Ask her. I've been the one spending. When my sister stopped taking care of her, I've been the one taking care of mama. For 2-3 years, we not see mama. Mama did not see us. She don't bother about us. What she need is the property. The property is what she wants. She never prayed to reap the fruit of the children, but the husband. What she wants is the property. The option you gave her, she doesn't want the option. What she wanted is the property. The property doesn't what mama wants. My auntie lost her job. Immediately she lost the job, like 3 jobs. The day she came back for work, when she came back from work, she was crying. And I came here, I went home to meet mama. Do you know what she said? I said, why she be looking for? She stay at home and be eating now. She should be eating. The second job, the same. The third job, the same. Not a near job, multi-choice. First bank. For what? She went to school because of mama. Mama dropped us. When I was 2 years, mama dropped us. My father raised us. The woman, my stepmother, she did a lot to us. She, spiritually, if we could.
You sit down, talk. Sit down.
You know, I did not talk.
Sit down.
I don't see anything. What this woman said is annoying. What she said is annoying. Please, when she left us, please, I want the camera to test me. When mama left us, my father raised us. After her, my father married another woman. That woman did so many things to us. Spiritually, if you go to mama, I report to mama, she said, I'm going to see that they're not kill them. Because she can't do you understand? While other step brothers, their mother will be running and scatter for them. Mama has never prayed for one day and say, God. She doesn't know how to pray. She's Elijah. My father sent her to make, but she doesn't pray at all. And she is. Tell her to read Fatiha. She doesn't know. She doesn't pray for children. If I have a problem, I will never go to mama. If I have problem, there are some children that when they have problem, the first person they will call is what? Their mother. Mama has never show us love. If we see anybody that is giving us problem, and the person is very close to her, mama will join hands with that person and start giving us problem. See, when my sister stopped taking care of her, ask mama who is taking care of her after my sister stopped. I did. I was the one paying for her. They will call me one day, I fẹ́ ra oògùn, I fẹ́ ṣe gbá, I fẹ́ ṣàwo. Even if I'm eating, I will remember mama. Not that mama is good to me. I'm just thinking of a day will come that I will be like mama, so that I will see children that will take care of me. I never this thing was live, that people were watching also. I thought it's something like audio. But it was when she thought that, when mama said she did not marry, we were not laughing. We are not laughing. They are not joking. I want the whole world to see me. I want the whole world to see me. Even my stepbrother, so that they can see what is happening here. They run to America because of mama, because of what my father told us. When my father was sick, what my father told my stepbrothers, that was what made them to run away from us. They have never called us. People that we grew up together, they never called us till date. Even before they left, they don't used to greet mama. Because my father told them that this pain he was going through, is from mama. My father cursed mama before he died. My father he shouted, he was telling people around him that mama is the problem behind his leg. When the day my father told me, the day my father told me, I went home and tell mama, I saw mama eating a bar. I met mama. She knew that I was going to my father's house. When I came back with tears, when I met mama, mommy, this is what Papa said. He said you were the one behind this leg. You were this. You know what mama said? And she mama.
What does that mean?
Did you hear that?
Yeah. If he was the one that destroyed daddy's life,
èmi mo bá yé yín jẹ ni ṣé mi I said and you were even eating ẹ ti bá jẹun kan ó bá ní kí lọ kú ni. See, I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. Mama, see, let me talk. Tell Mama to lift her hand. That hand that she used that will never go anywhere. Tell her to remove the hand. They will not take care of her. Mama does not want to hit her children food. What she wants is that husband, that man. That's the property she wants. I'm not calling her witch. Just tell her to lift the hand. If she lifts the hand, this will, at least when we are doing good, we remember Mama. Oga told me, I'm earning 10,000 at the end of the month. I'll think of my children.
10,000.
Wait, for instance, I'm earning 10,000 at the end of the month. I'll think of my children, Abi.
Yeah.
I'm married. I have my own kids. See, I have 10,000 at the end of the month. I'll take care of myself. I'll take care of my children. How do you expect him to remember Mama? 10,000 naira. Yeah, Oga.
I'm listening.
See my auntie, she's above 40. She's above 40. Spiritually, people there is no how you should go anywhere that you pray for her. They will. Oga say I don't want to talk. It's because of that what that woman said that made me to flare up. I thought it was something like audio. I didn't know that people were watching us. I mean, I don't mind. That was why I moved my nose cover. This matter, Oga, you are settling a spiritual matter, not a physical one. We have 3 children. Even people believe girls they take care of their children more than the boys. Are you getting it?
We did that to our father. Even for the
We did that to our father before he died. We did that to our father. We took care of our father till he died. My father, when my father was alive, my father used to treat me like an head. Do you understand? Somebody that treated you like an head, and you now watch him dying in pain. This man will lock himself inside your house. He'll be crying. He'll be telling us, "Hello, suffer my man." His leg was smelling. His leg was smelling. This man suffered before he died.
You say you should tell your mother to leave me alone.
Yes. See, he will not allow you to talk. She will not allow you to talk. And that is why I don't want to talk. You know, I've been holding myself since. You can see she doesn't believe that I will talk like this. See, you know, for a woman to be talking like this, that means I've treated her the way she is supposed to treat her. Sure you get. I've never done like this for her. Even when we were giving the house, when I was giving an apartment, this mama and her daughter, the daughter she gave birth to another man. They went to my sister's house and told her that why would she give me and my sister property? That she's supposed to be the one that will be collecting money and be giving us what we want.
Mama.
That's Mama. She shared between the 2 of us. Between she and my elder sister.
Okay, your third daughter now, your sister now, is she doing well as well?
Well for where? Where in Igbo? I know my stepbrothers will be looking us. They'll be watching us, and I don't give a fuck. You know, by the time you don't care, that means your problem is like this. You'll be swallowing so many things. You'll be swallowing Augustine. I don't want to stop. They will see us. Yes, see all of us. See us. Even the people around my father area, they will be seeing us. Even his friends will be seeing us. Like he said we collected our father's property with my father's friend.
All right, hold on a minute.
Let people come. Let them come. Let them come. I'm not going to expose you.
Please, one house. I think this is enough for now. Hold on a minute. Hold on.
Your name and where you calling from? My name is Mr. Martins. I'm calling from Germany.
All right, go on.
I really understand the situation where the family has been within the family because I am into that situation for the past 3 years at the moment because my father also is dead and my family has 8 children. So I understand where they are coming from. These children, they are really pissed off for their mother not doing their many things. But the thing there is that Mama has come to an age like my mother that is still alive now. She's 75 years now. So Mama has come to her age. Even looking at Mama there, it makes me to reflect on my own mother that I'm actually taking care of now at the moment. So the thing I can advise, this kind of thing is you need to speak to Mama. You need to calm Mama down, Chairman. Chairman, you're doing a wonderful job. And what the things you said, it's really the best way forward. But the thing there is that the children, they are really, really angry. Mama needs to find a way to apologize to the children. The children need to find a way to apologize to the mother. Except it won't go, it's more than the money now. And the aspect of the house, in terms of the house that Mama wants to claim with, Mama will have to take her hand off, which she has agreed, which I have heard about, and things like that. So the children need to find a way where they could pay that money Mama owed from and everything like that. But Mama needs to still apologize to the children for there to be a little peace. The children need to apologize. They must get an apology, as in from Mama and the children, because what they are going through is for the past 3 years. All my sisters, my brothers, apart from one, they've left my mother. So I am the one taking care of my mother. And in this kind of situation of a thing, it takes the grace of God, the grace of Allah, whichever way, for one, for good children to look after their mother, even at this stage. So even seeing them, I'm even crying, I'm feeling the impact and whatsoever. But the other sister, I know she has really passed through a lot. So the thing is that there should be a way whereby the Mama needs to apologize for not being there all this while, and people need to find ways.
All right, thank you. Mama. Hold on a minute. Well, Dorono, hold on a minute. Hold on. You can stay there. When I'm done off, you can come. Hold on a minute. Mama. One house, please. Mama. You want me to settle your family?
Yes.
No. We don't come. We don't enter spiritual. Mama, you want me to settle your family?
Yes.
You want make I settle your family?
Yes.
You hear wetin your children talk? I not talk say you know. You hear wetin they talk?
I hear.
Okay. Not be better for your husband, not be make am build house. Children wey not better for, and anywhere they go, pastor dey lie against you, alpha dey lie against you. How you want me to take happy for you? Since then they lie against you, you don't ever put them for ground, pray for them, pour water for their head.
So then they live with me, they say I go.
Mama, your pikin offline and line, you don't count many better place when you don't work because of opportunity when you get. He say, oh my bed, wait, wanna not stress me, oh. Mama, all that place when they don't work, when you know, when they can't lose work, they tell you, you not talk, but you not feel am.
Don't mind them.
Okay, you want me better for them again now?
Why not go better for them?
No wahala.
Why not go better for them?
Mama, wait now. They say fire dey their life. You want quench am now? You go quench am for this office now. If you say yes, you want quench am?
Yes.
Mama, fire when they catch for your children life. You want quench am now? No, leave God. You go quench am. Mama, if you born pikin and e small, maybe dey like 5 years, you wan go near fire come dey burn am, you go run go quench am? Abi na God you go wait make quench am? Na you go comot that fire now. You ready?
Why?
Good. I go ask your children whether they ready, because nobody dey stress me. Sister on black.
Okay.
Whether na your mama cause your problem or not, you wan quench that fire, now you ready? Now here go quench am, no be go house. So you ready? Your mama wan quench fire now. Because now you tell, you don't know me, but now you talk say na spiritual work. That means you don't know me. If you carry and go spiritual, I go be number one when you go meet there. Mama, whether now you set that fire or not, your children they are not happy. If they are happy, you will be happy. Who no fit see chop, you no fit give mama. Mama no will be priority. Oh.
Yes.
Na pikin be priority.
Yes.
Their pikin don become their priority because money is not enough to give mama. The same way dem be your priority before, if at all na true, when you no see give your mama but you still give your pikin, na im be to dem. But if to say dem get well dem go still give nation. Mama, we wan quench the fire, mo quench am. Okay o. The prayer be say whether na you do or not be you do am, you no sell your pikin for anybody. Na water be this o. Na water dey take dey quench fire. Na the water be this. No, never drink am. All that thing when they talk say dey worry dem. You when dey back come. Put this mic for mama mouth. Look at here. Mama worry. Mama, you go call God o. Oya call God the way you dey call am.
God o.
How you dey call am na when you wan pray, how you dey call am your own? Na Allah you dey call am.
Allah.
Call am in Yoruba.
Allah.
No talk in English.
Ọlọ́run.
Oya dey talk o. Say God.
Ọlọ́run o.
Yes, say na you. Èmi. Ọmọ.
Ọmọ.
You go say your name first.
Èmi ní Síkásù.
Ọmọ.
Ọmọ Àmínátù.
That's your mother.
That's my mother.
Talk am 3 times.
Èmi ní Síkásù ọmọ Àmínátù.
Say na you call God now.
Èmi mo pọ́lọ́n báyìí, èmi mo pọ́lọ́n
Just
báyìí.
get on brack, you are disturbing me. Say na you call God now.
Èmi mo pọ́lọ́n báyìí.
Say you call God because of your children.
Mo pọ́lọ́n nítorí àwọn ọmọ mi.
Then they talk say na you sit down for their
Wálé
life.
mi ni mo dúró ni mo jókòó lé wọn lórí ìjẹ́kọ́rọ́ náà lọ.
But whosoever that sitting on their life,
Gbogbo ẹni tó bá dúró lé wọn lórí ìjẹ́kọ́rọ́ náà lọ.
whether na you by mistake
Wọ́n lé mi fúnra mi by mistake ni o.
or na who you judge to,
Àbí mi tí mo dọ́dún.
or na where you from marry,
Àbí tí mo ti lọ́kọ.
you no know wetin dey worry your children.
Àná ni àmì ìmọ̀ tó ṣe wọn o.
You born them make them better pass you.
Mo bí wọn kán lè ṣoríire ni o.
You born them make them feed the
Mo bí wọn
nation.
kán lè rí lárí kán lè rọ́nà lọ.
But today
Ìlànà tó jẹ́ òtè níyì.
they no grow.
Wọ́n gbé. Wọ́n gòkè.
They no go up.
Wọ́n gòkè.
You no sell them for anybody.
Mi ìfẹ́ ní anybody.
Na im make you call God.
Mi ìfẹ́ pọ̀lọ́hún.
Make he join you.
Make ìjọ pọ̀lọ́hún lọ́pọ̀.
Make he help you quench the fire.
Make ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Kó bá mi paná náà.
Make he help you quench the bad
Kọ́lọ́
luck,
bá ń paná náà.
disappointment.
Disappointment kọ́lọ́ bá ń pa.
When you follow them.
Kọ́lọ́ bá ń paná ẹ̀.
Àìríṣẹ́ no work.
Àìríṣẹ́ àìrílò. Kọ́lọ́ bá mi paná ẹ̀.
Begin talk am by yourself.
Èmi sí kọ́tọ̀ àmì náà tù. Ó jẹ́ pé èmi ni mo gbọ́ lé wọn lórí. Kọ́lọ́ ń dà mí láàbù.
Madam, you are disturbing us o. I'm not.
Tí ìgbà gbọ́ lé wọn lórí gbogbo ẹni tó bá ń ṣàìdá tó ń ṣe wa tó wà lẹ́yìn ọmọ mi tó ń gbọ́ lé wọn lórí kí ìdààmú dé bá wọn.
Amen.
Àtijọ́ àti mọ́
You
àwọn
are
mi.
supposed to be here saying amen and you permit me to help to.
Kí ìdààmú dé gbogbo tó bá gbọ́ lọ́wọ́ mi lórí kí ìdààmú dé bá wọn.
Àmín.
Kọ́ màá nùnà kí tí wọ́n bàjẹ́.
Amen.
Àwọn ọmọ mi kán gòkè
Amen.
lójú ẹ̀mí mi kí wọ́n so oríire
Àmín.
kọ́ máa rí jẹ kọ́ máa rí òkú máa rí ná
Àmín.
kẹ́mi náà jẹun
Àmín.
torí wọ́n fún mi lóúnjẹ tẹ́lẹ̀
Àmín.
èyí tó ń ṣe fún mi lóúnjẹ èyí náà fún mi lọ́wọ́ ohun tó ń jẹ́ wá fún mi obìnrin tó bá dúró lé wọn tó ń dààmú láàmú tó lọ bọ́ sí tó lọ gbé àwọ̀ mi wọ̀ tó bí náà láàmú ìdààmú ni kó dé bá gbogbo wọn tọmọtọmọ kọ́ máa ń lọ àìrójú àdá ìkó dé bọ́ńtọ̀ mọ́tò ní pọ́ńtọ̀ dànù ẹ tó bá ń gbé àwọ̀ mi wọ̀ tó ń ṣe fún àwọn ọmọ mi tó lọ jà fún ọ̀dàmú láàmú kọ́ lè rìn òun ṣe wọ́n kí ìdààmú dé bá wọn kó dé bá lè kó dé bá ọmọ ẹ̀
Amen.
kọ́ sọ lóko pa títí kí wọ́n sọ lóko pa títí láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà.
Amen. Mama, wait. If you wish, I have not opened my church as a pastor. I'm
Tó bá
not
jẹ́ mi
doing
àjẹ́
what
ni mí.
I'm supposed to do.
tó bá jáde ní mílò
Those that they are praying for should come forward. Nobody's going to force you. If you know Mama fire is on you or anybody's fire, come and let Mama remove it with this water. You come in front of her. Yes, you come in front of your mother to receive the prayer. Mama, you cannot force them. Oh. Then say, now you put fire for them. But you wanted to remove the fire. They said no. Eh?
kò sí tó máa ṣe wọ́n
Amen.
kò sí tó lè ṣe wọ́n
Amen.
ẹni iṣẹ́ tó wá ń gbá ìwúrí wa tó lọ fi dà ọlọ́wọ́ àjà láàmú àjà láàmú tọmọtọmọ.
She's praying for you now. You set back as if I am the one they are praying for.
tẹ́mi sọ fún mi lórí.
Give me the mic.
All right, Mama cannot do otherwise. They also refuse the blessing of their mother. But meanwhile, Mama has proved to the world that they were accusing her innocently. Yes, you know we have done it before in this office uncountable time. This is not the first time when we now turn human rights case to spiritual case. At the end of the day, they were all happy. But as it is now, Mama has tried, but the children still believe Mama will never change. So they refuse to come in front of their mother to receive the blessing. However, Mama, we cannot force your children to take care of you. If they so wish to come and take care of you, children will also take care of them. If they wish, they want to abandon you, children will also abandon them. In the presence of the whole world, you are praying now that whether you are the cause or anybody is the cause, that you quench the fire. They refuse to come and receive the blessing. What else do they want from me and from Mama? So you are not the one disturbing them. They know what their problem is. They know who is after them because they refuse to come and take this blessing. Normally when we do a thing like this, the children must come in front of their mother. After prayer, they pour water in their head and all that and pray for them. Please don't stress me. If you have a place to call me in the court, go there. All right, Mama, this is where we are drawing the curtain of this accusation. I took care of my mother without anybody's help. I started taking care of my mother since 1995. Yes, my mother wasn't poor, she was rich. She bought me Renault 9 in 1996. She bought me one sport car, Renault 9. She wasn't poor, but still, I still took it upon myself to take care of her. You understand? She's happy wherever she is. So there is no bad Mama, there is no good Mama. Mama is supreme. If she can take it upon herself, upon the disgrace, and start praying for her children now, and you refuse to receive the blessing, then I should come and force you. I am blessed by my mother. I'm fine. I'm fine. Anytime I'm in difficulties, I see my mother's help in my life. In short, I never suffer before I get help because Mama prayed for me. So when she died, you go to her grave and ask for prayer. Now that she's alive, this is the only time she can turn things around. Not when you go and sit in her grave and say, Mama, pray for me. It will work, but that can be 5%, while this one is 99%. All right, this is where we are stopping. 5 people gonna call in. Then we are done.
Mama, now then you take and pray for. As they not drink, not be you go pray for yourself. If you won't let. No, not be you want drink and now your children. Don't be say anybody. See, I made them not go misunderstand us. Mama, nobody supposed to drink and. If to say they come in front of you, you will put them for their head. Okay. Take quench their fire. Okay. But they don't want. So not be you set their fire. Orí ni kì í ṣe pé wọ́n kò yẹ kí wọ́n mú tẹ́lẹ̀. Kí wọ́n máa lọ sọ káàkiri pé wọ́n ní kí wọ́n mú mi. Nobody say that she drink water. The water is still there. Is to kneel before her. He pray for you and pour water in your head. Open door and let them go from that place. No, feel it. Mama ti ṣe pé yẹn you go pour am for road. Mama call accident anybody wey dey worry them. Yes, so that water now you go pour am for that road when motor dey pass. No, Mama, when you dey go now, now you go pour am for road. Okay. So you go now, we go video when you pour am for road. You go pour am there. You understand? No, we are done. We are done. Thank you so much. Right. Owó kọ. Open gate. Make Mama do not go to other thing.
Àwọn ọmọ náà wọ́n lè ṣe nǹkan kan. Ó fún bàbá àwọn ò lè fún wọn lówó. Ẹ ṣáà gbọ́.
direct mama make it away that. No, firewood. They are in prison. They're going to firewood. Ma, I will pack all of them for sale here. Direct mama, let me carry that water. If you need that, I will pour it for road. Direct direct mama. Koko direct mama ko ṣe ni takle. O fẹ́ tọ̀. Okay. Mama, a lot of. Who see you when not sorry for you? Maybe they are picking say no go sorry for them. They not get heart too. They are heartless. You they look and make mama not jump something now. Now we say mama not they see you. Koriran rara. Ah, these children wicked though. Mama not they see at all. These children wicked though. Guess what though? Mama is not seeing at all. These children they are wicked though. No. Mama not they see at all. Ah, they should forgive her now. She's blind completely. Next to me. It's my sister. It's unfair. It's unfair now. Why? Even in waiting do make am blind. Person don't blind. Waiting remain. Mama is not seeing. Mama is completely blind.
When he can't not see anything. That is after we put the stick on this place. That stick inside the house. You see, they go and do operation for him. 2 of it. Never see anything.
Okay.
You can't walk. You can't tell the assistant. Look, they will see yourself. I'm telling them, say, Baba, you give her the leg. Baba will tell you how the people that the mama is doing something for her. Why are you doing like this? They go another place for this matter.
They are wicked.
They are wicked.
Mama is blind completely.
It's like what do you know? What do you know? What do you know?
Alright, we want to round everything up on camera, so that is why I haven't dropped yet. If I have dropped, I will not know that Mama can't see.
What do you know?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a ti rí.
A máa wò káàkiri àbí. Tó bá yẹ pé wọ́n láì la bá wá ní àwọn èèyàn lè dá sí dáadáa. Ṣé wọ́n ló sọ fún yín pé Friday ó ṣe máa sọ fún kóòtù pé Friday òyìnbó máa tún sí dédé tó máa ṣe kọ́. Ìbí kóòtù ló pè àbí àǹtí. You can't say that you are busy on you coming on Friday. God is calling you. You have to come. You have prepared something for the mama. You say the
okay, you can guide Mama well, not let her dey hit something. You supposed to the For what? I'm done with her. Why should she? Yeah, open let Mama go and Wo, I want direct now. I call the Lord that another giver now when reach outside. People when you carry you cover, they disturb your children. No, and they cause when you cause them down. You they look mama now, they look back. This woman just the drag and they go. You know they look who you they carry. No, you go reach road though. Not be. Go reach here. You go reach here. You go reach road. Mati phone. Oh yeah, give her. Oh no, ile. Direct mama kó má lọ tubo. Ẹ máa wo ẹ̀yìn náà tẹ́ bá direct mama. Jẹ́ ká filẹ̀ ẹ gbàgà wa kọjọ́ kò sí.
Ni mo wọ bathroom. Ẹ máa dánú ilé.
No, kò need. Kó máa ṣe wàhálà.
Bí ẹ̀mẹ́rin ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni mo wọ bathroom jẹ́ tí mo fẹ́ wẹ̀. Mo ti wọ̀ ẹ́ tí mo ti yàtọ̀ ọ̀gbọ́n mi. Mo ní àlàyé àgbẹ̀.
Máa ti jókòó. Ẹ̀yà jókòó.
Tó di pọ́ sọ mi pé àkílẹ̀ ṣé mo ní kan mi. Pàṣẹ kò lọ gbómi ẹ̀kọ́ fún mi.
All right. Have a good weekend. Have a nice day. Be a good mother while you are still young, and be a good child while mother is still alive. One love. Have a blessed day. We shall update you. We never knew that mama is completely blind. In this stage, somebody is supposed to have mercy upon her, no matter what she must have done. But the update, if no children take good care of her, she'll be back to the office in less than 2 weeks, so we can ask for donation. God bless you.